Hi, it's Mandy Napier, owner of Mindset for Success, author of Creating Healthy Life Habits, and the creator of the Winning Edge formula and Get Breakthrough Results. Now, the reason I've created this course is simple. Over the past 11 years, I've coached hundreds of people, from athletes, CEOs, employers and employees, individuals, everyday people, high achievers, and I've discovered one thing. The gap between living a great life, one where you do the things that are necessary to achieve the goals that you want, comes down to creating that right mix of mindset, strategy and action. And it's the ability to align both parts of your mind, combining with winning strategies and intentional action, as well as creating daily habits that support your goals, that directly impacts your results and the quality of your life. So my guess is you're probably already successful in one or more areas of your life. You may already be a successful business owner and a high achiever, yet if you're like many of my clients, you may secretly feel a little bit frustrated. Perhaps you still haven't got the results that you are striving for, even though you've had some help in the past. Perhaps you've even given up a little bit on ever believing that you will truly create that breakthrough success that you want. So if this sounds like you don't have to worry any longer. I promise you, you're not broken. So I have created a solution for you. It's in the form of the 9-week Get Breakthrough Results. This program's been really carefully crafted to ensure it has a combination of informational videos, resources and tools to download, live calls and support. You'll have access to many tools and techniques, all based on latest research from neuroscience proven to work, the very same tools and strategies and techniques that I use with my VIP one-on-one clients. You'll also get to create your own blueprint for your success, and this will be a foundational piece which is invaluable, and it will absolutely help you create the results that you desire. Now, the best news is I've priced this at an affordable level so that everybody can have access to it, which means there's no excuse. There's no reason why this time you can't break through to the next level of your career or your life, whatever it is that you're striving for. So together, let's create the strategy, the mindset, and make sure you take the consistent action that this time will help you break through and achieve the results that you desire. So what I suggest you do now is be an action taker, enroll on the next course, and I welcome you to getting breakthrough results in your life or your business this year. And while you're here, why not grab a copy of my ebook, Your Winning Mindset Formula, and I look forward to welcoming you to this program.